Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for always coming back to watch my video each time I upload. If you're new here, hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Che. I'm a Nigerian living in the UK. Thank you for clicking on this video today. Please do not forget to like this video. Leave me a nice comment in the comment section below. Please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends and your family, please. I hope you guys are doing well, guys. In today's video is going to be all about this beautiful box braid that I did on myself, guys. I've never done anything like this before in my entire life. But guys, you have to do with what you have. As you may know, there has been this pandemic. I was desperate to braid my hair. I didn't know what to do, and I'm someone that if I want something, I want something, okay? And I don't take no for an answer. I'm a mom of three, and you know how busy we can get. As along the line you forget to take care of yourself. So one of my goals this year is to make a conscious effort on the way I look, from my hair to my toe, you know. So you're not going to catch me looking like my problem this year. It's not me. I decided to braid my own hair. Like I said before, I've never done this before in my entire life, but I got a lot of inspiration from Chef B. I'm going to put her name on the screen. You can check her out. I got a lot of inspiration from her and I decided to execute it on my own hair. Guys, let me know what you think about my hair. I feel so proud of myself right now, and I challenge you to braid your own hair. So without talking too much, guys, let's dive into today's video. You'll be needing edge control, leave-in conditioner, coconut oil or any oil, and hair clip to get the hair out of the way, and crocheted hook, and also a hairband or rubber band, and then your hair extension. So now I'm starting off on a freshly washed, stretched hair. As you may know, my hair is natural, so I'm using my edge control to help me create a nice and neat pattern. I'm trying not to use too much because I don't want the hair to be too sleek, and I think this section of hair is perfect for me. So now I'm going to use this hairband. This is a hairband, it's not elastic band. I was using elastic band and it was breaking. Probably I was stretching too much. So this is a hairband and I bought it off Amazon. I can put the link in the description box below. It works the same as an elastic band. So after that section, the next thing I'm doing is to use leave-in conditioner, and then after that I will put a little bit of coconut oil to seal in the moisture. And guys, my hair shrinks like mad, so I will continue doing the same. At the beginning I plan to section the whole hair, and then I will start braiding, but along the line I felt like braiding as I go. I felt like braiding one and get it out of the way will help me, give me that strength to keep going. Like I said, this is my first time of braiding my own hair, so I didn't want to section the whole hair before I start braiding. So now I will go back to this first section that I made. Then I'm just going to start braiding now. So this is the interesting part, but I'm going to let you guys see what I'm doing because it will make more sense for you. Like I said, this is my first time and I made a lot of mistakes. So the first mistake that I made was tying the hair with the hairband too tight, because I felt like it was hard to pull out the hair extension through it. so it was a bit of an effort, if you can see. And then it was feeling too tight, not uncomfortable, but it was feeling tight, you know, to compare. For the fact that I was doing it on myself, I felt it was too tight, but it wasn't uncomfortable at all. So now I'm trying to detangle my hair, but my hair is shrinking. I don't know, as soon as my hair is wet, it shrinks. So now you're going to section the hair extension into 3, then share your own portion of hair into 3 as well, and then you start braiding. I don't know, this is not a tutorial if you don't know how to braid already, but even if you don't know how to braid, I think this is self-explanatory looking at it. Then you continue braiding. I'm going to continue showing you guys what I'm doing. I'm just going to braid this one down, then we're going to start another braid. Just in case if you're wondering, the color of my extension is D13. Let me give you the information about the extension. The pack came in 82 inches and it weighed 230 grams. So out of these 230 grams, I divided the extension into 2, and then I cut one part into 4. Then I cut the other half into 3. So I used the one that I cut into 4 at the back, and I used the one I cut into 3 at the front. So I stretched it, obviously. So you just continue doing the same. Here, when pulling out the extension, you have to make sure that you're holding the other end. Otherwise, you will pull the whole thing out. And because this is a jumbo box braid, it's not possible to fit in the whole extension in one go. So what I figured was to slide it twice, as you can see, so I can be able to have enough extension. So it's still the same process that we've done before. Moisturize the hair, sealing the moisture, and then share the hair into 3, and then start braiding. It's still the same process. So and make sure that your hair is detangled, otherwise it will keep snagging and getting on your way. As you can see, it's not perfect at all. I wasn't able to tuck my own hair inside the hair extension, and also the pattern wasn't that perfect, but I wouldn't worry about those little things at this point. So I'm going to continue showing you guys. Here I'm trying to correct the mistake that I made at the beginning, as you guys saw. Now I'm trying to tie the hair not very tight, so I can be able to have enough space underneath to slide through my crochet hook, and the hair extension will have space as well. In that way it won't be feeling very tight. As you can see, it's very loose at this moment. Like I said before, This is a jumbo box braid, so I wasn't able to fit in the whole extension in one go, so I do that twice, as you guys have seen. And then because I didn't tie the rubber band very tight this time, after moisturizing my hair, seal the moisture, and then detangle my hair, I'm going to try and then pull my hair out. I don't know how to explain it, but you're seeing what I'm doing, just to make sure that it's still tight enough, you know. Yeah, and then you continue braiding. I'm going to show you one more example of what I'm doing, and I think I'm braiding over. If it was, I think it's more comfortable to braid over when you're doing it on your own. So guys, for the last time, I've sectioned my hair, and don't forget that I use the edge control to help me get my parting nice and clean. And then it's still the same method. Slide through the hook and then pull the extension through. I'm sure you guys you've got it by now. And then yeah, as soon as you've got the reasonable amount of extension, then you start braiding. Like you saw me the last time, I tried to pull my own hair just to make sure that the braid will end up tight enough. Okay, and yeah, at this point I'm feeling like a superwoman, you know, for the fact that I was sitting in my bedroom watching my favorite movie on Netflix and then doing this on my own. It took me about 5 hours in total. Honestly, I didn't know it was going to I didn't know it would take me this less time. Honestly, to be honest, that was why I didn't want to make the hair long, because I felt like I was going to braid all day. But it took me like about 5 hours, and as I go, I started using coconut oil. In that way, it made the extension blend more easily with my own hair. And at this point, at the back, you have to let your own hand guide you. So yeah, this will be the last one. Thank you so much for watching till this moment. Please do not forget to like, leave me a comment in the comment section below, subscribe to my channel please, and share with your friends and your family. Thank you.